Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Lebowski. Here's our video for a simple home blood collection for shipment to our office. When your package arrives, open it up and there will be 4 things in the package. The first is the microscope slide container, a Band-Aid, and 2 lancets. You're only going to need 1, but we're sending a second one just in case this one fails for some reason. If you're missing any of these items, just give a call to the office and we'll have them shipped to you. First thing you're going to want to do is get 2 tissues or a paper towel and lay them out on the table, and then open the microscope slide case, and inside of there are 4 things. There are 2 microscope slides, which you want to be careful about not getting your fingerprints all over them. Lay them both down on the paper towel or tissue. And then there are 2 microscope slide covers. You're only going to use 1, but these are pretty fragile, so we send you 2 just in case. Try not to get your fingerprints all over it. Rest that on the side of the microscope slide case. Then go wash your hands. Once your hands are dry, come back and we'll begin the procedure. After your hands are clean and dry, come back to your station, and this is where you're going to load the lancet. So take one of these lancets, apply pressure to the yellow tab, and rotate it several times while you're still applying pressure, and then remove the yellow tab. This lancet is now loaded and ready to be used. That is the button that depresses the lancet. So now at the point in the procedure, you take your left hand, your middle finger, and right about where the nail meets the base of the finger, a little bit in, is the perfect spot for this procedure. You take the lancet, apply a little bit of pressure, and then you're going to press that little button, at which point a little blood will begin to appear. We wait for that blood to form a bubble. If you're not getting much blood, you can gently coax it down the finger, applying a little pressure, but don't squeeze hard around the finger. We want a little bit of blood there. Then we take the microscope slide cover and we're going to gently touch the blood without touching the finger. Just like that. Take the microscope slide cover and gently and carefully drop it onto the slide. And you'll have a slide that looks something like that. Now we're going to do the second collection. For this one, we can apply a little more pressure to the finger until we get a bulb of blood. And we want to wait about 30 seconds before we take this collection, at which point we take the other slide, flip it over, and we're going to take 8 different samples. This one, the slide can touch the finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now don't forget to flip this back over and then allow those to dry. If that whole procedure went well and you had no problems with it, you can now take the Band-Aid and apply the Band-Aid on your finger. These samples take about 5 to 10 minutes to dry. Once they're dry, if you didn't break the other slide cover in the procedure, you can leave it in the shipping container and then take both samples, take them face up, and carefully put them back into the microscope slide case, making sure they're in place, and then gently close this. This will arrive with your name and date of birth on it. Pack this back up in the bubble wrap, and this can only be shipped to our office overnight on a Monday or a Tuesday. Thank you for watching. Good luck and good health.